It's a dark morning. It's raining again. I was hopeful that it wouldn't, and it may not rain all day, but it does seem rather gloomy. As you can see, it's almost 10 o'clock and it's this dark. So, I thought it would hold off and it would not be rainy, but as Robin, my neighbor, on the corner by Judy's place said, it's going to be rainy. And with the rain comes the predicament of the poor toads. And I just saw Buddy sticking his head up. Of course not now. I'm here, Buddy. Oh yeah, right? No. Buddy is not sticking his head up right now. But he was. He was sticking his head up earlier. Now he's probably gone back into his corner where it's a little drier. I mean, you'd think that toads wouldn't mind the rain so much, but they do. They're dry, and they prefer dry. Come on, Buddy. I was just gonna show your cute little face again, but of course no. Of course no. No, it's getting too hairy. It's getting too hairy, so I'm going to vacuum. And I really prefer to go away when I vacuum, but that's not to be. No, it's not to be. So when I vacuum, I prepare everything for the vacuum cleaner, and then I head off, so I don't have to listen, so I don't have to hear it, so I don't have to avoid it, right? But I don't think that's to be today. So everything is, I have done this often enough that I know where the vacuum cleaner gets stuck. So it is now safe for me to leave the house with the vacuum cleaner running on its own because it will not get stuck. I prepare everything. This is better than me vacuuming. Seriously, it's better than me vacuuming. Better from the back. Yes. And walking is better for my time. Vacuuming on its own is better for its time. But I don't think I'm gonna manage that today because it's raining. Although I do have my Windex ready and my rags because I want to clean the 2 back windows. Since I'm going to be rescuing Buddy anyway, I might as well clean the windows while I'm at it. Is that a snail? I don't know. Stuck to the side of the window. Anyway, yeah. So I'm going to get dressed now. Julie. I've done a lot already. I totally cleaned out the cat water fountain. Okay. That was interesting. What was that? I don't know. You didn't pay attention to it. I do. I wonder if that's the dog. Did the dog jump up and down? Perhaps. Anyway, I cleaned the water fountain and replaced the filter. I thought the filters were super expensive. And I ordered them from Pet Value, and they said they had 3 remaining. And I thought, geez, these are expensive, but it's better. Filtering the water is better than not. So I ordered them and they came yesterday, and I just opened them up, the first one up, because today I was cleaning the water fountain. And it's 3 in the pack. It's not just 1 in the pack, it's 3. So I got much more than I expected. So they're not as expensive as I thought. Yes. So now I have to decide if I'm going to do Prime Day. Because today and tomorrow are Prime Day. Do I need anything? Yes. I need a light bulb for my lava lamp. Because that burned out last night. My one lava lamp. And I immediately thought, oh, throw it out. No, you like the lava lamps. You turn them on every single day. I have a timer that turns them on every day. So I am going to check out what that light bulb is and see if I can do that on Prime Day. I don't think I have anything else, so it may not be worth it to do Prime Day. No? No, may not. But it may. I'll have to check it out. And I haven't done that yet. I have to get dressed yet. To clean, I have to rescue the frog, the toad. It's not sticking its head up. It'll be hiding. It does not, I mean, yes, toads can drown, but it's not a drowning location. There's plenty of gravel there. There's, toad will survive. And, cleaning a window on a rainy day, not so optimal. It could be Frankie. Could be Frankie. It could be Frankie. Anyway, I think I'll get dressed and let's get that vacuum going. Have we got everything set up? Those are away. I'm gonna leave that. So I'll move that just to get everything clean. Why leave a corner dirty if you can have it cleaned? Move this. Okay, that's there, that's done. Okay. Will that stand up to the, yes, I will move that as well. No, it won't stand up. Okay. Okay, that's the last thing that I have to do. Okay, everything can run on its own? Everything good? Everything good? I think so. Okay, set her going. I just have to get dressed, and I can avoid it while I'm getting dressed. And there it goes. Okay, I'll get dressed. Ow. My back is strained just thinking about it. And I like vacuuming. I like vacuuming. Dusting that I don't like. Vacuuming I like. I like vacuuming. Okay, so looks like today is not a shorts or capri day. Not really. It's a Jean's day. It's Jean's day. No?